When you search for bathroom vanities, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Zarbita Modern Vanity Light. The Zarbita 3 light bathroom light fixtures caught my eye with its sleek matte black finish and clear glass shades, priced at just $29.99. If you want to upgrade your bathroom lighting with a modern touch, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With 800 lumens of brightness, this light fixture promises to illuminate your space effectively, which is crucial when you're getting ready in the morning. The touch control and push button make it user-friendly, especially for those busy mornings when you need both hands. Plus, it's UL certified, meaning it meets strict safety standards, reducing the risk of overheating. That's a big deal if you want a reliable fixture that won't fail you after a few months. The fact that over 4,000 people bought this in the past month shows it's a popular choice for a reason. Now, some people complained about the difficulty in installation. Here's the thing though, if you have basic DIY skills, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. Just remember to check the compatibility with your existing setup. This is perfect for you if you're looking to add a sleek, modern touch to your bathroom without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you need something more traditional or if you're not comfortable with installation. For the price, it's a great value. Now, if Zarbita's installation issue worried you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Yahitech Compact Vanity. The Yahitech 24-inch bathroom vanity with sink is a gem for small spaces, priced at $149.99. If you want efficient storage and a sleek design, this is worth a serious look. This vanity features a ceramic basin that holds up to 66 pounds, ensuring it can handle your daily use without issues. With double doors and a drawer, it provides ample storage for towels and toiletries, keeping your space tidy. The compact design makes it ideal for smaller bathrooms where every inch counts. Plus, it's straightforward to assemble, which is great if you're not a DIY expert. With a 4.4-star rating from over 327 reviews, it clearly meets the needs of many shoppers. However, some users mentioned that the sink can be a bit small for larger items. Here's the thing though, if you're working with a tight space, this is probably a sacrifice you'll have to make. This is perfect for you if you have limited space but still want functionality and style. Skip this one if you need a larger sink area or a more luxurious feel. Given its price and features, it's a solid choice. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for a more upscale experience. Product number 3, Deluxe Living 48-inch Vanity. The 48-inch bathroom vanity from Deluxe Living is a premium choice at $1,059.99, offering a modern steel blue finish. If you desire elegance combined with practicality, this is worth a serious look. The standout feature here is the quartz countertop, which is not only gorgeous but also stain-resistant and easy to clean. With 7 dovetail drawers and a cabinet, it provides ample storage, keeping your essentials organized. The soft closing doors prevent any slamming, which is a nice touch for maintaining peace in a busy bathroom. Plus, it arrives fully assembled, saving you from the hassle of assembly. With a 4.6-star rating from 61 reviews, it's clear that buyers appreciate its quality. Now, some folks pointed out that it's on the pricier side. Here's the thing though, if you're investing in a bathroom renovation, this could be worth it for the durability and aesthetic appeal it provides. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a sophisticated and functional vanity that's ready to use right out of the box. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or prefer a simpler design. For its quality, it delivers real value. Now, if that price tag is a concern, the next product offers a compelling option without sacrificing style. Product number 4, Vingley Mid-Century Vanity. Next up is the Vingley 30-inch bathroom vanity with a charming mid-century modern design for $269.99. If you want to combine style and practicality, this is worth a serious look. This vanity is designed with fluted door panels that add a touch of elegance, while the U-shaped storage shelf inside keeps your bathroom essentials organized. The ceramic sink is durable and easy to clean, which is crucial for everyday use. With a solid rating of 4.2 stars from 150 reviews, it's a stylish choice that doesn't skimp on functionality. The soft closed doors are a bonus, ensuring quiet operation. Now, some reviews noted that the assembly can be a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, with clear instructions, most people should be able to handle it without much trouble. This is perfect for you if you love mid-century style and need a compact vanity. Skip this one if you prefer a more contemporary look or if you're not comfortable with assembly. For the price, it offers great style and function. Alright, that was a fantastic find. But the final product on our list brings a whole new level of sophistication. Product number 5, Deluxe Living 60-inch Double Sink. The 60-inch bathroom vanity double sink from Deluxe Living is a stunning choice at $1,279.99. If you're looking for luxury and practicality, this is worth a serious look. With a solid wood frame and a beautiful quartz top, it merges elegance with durability. The ample storage and double sinks are perfect for busy bathrooms, providing space for everyone to get ready at once. The soft closing doors and full extension dovetail drawers add to the high-end feel, while its waterproof coating ensures it withstands the bathroom humidity. With a high rating of 4.7 stars from 77 reviews, it's clearly a hit with users. However, the cost can be a concern for some. Here's the thing though, if you have the budget for it, this vanity is built to last and will elevate your bathroom space significantly. This is perfect for you if you share a bathroom and need the convenience of double sinks. Skip this one if you're working with a tight budget. For the quality it offers, it's definitely an investment worth considering. To wrap it all up, we've covered the stylish Zarbita Modern Vanity Light, the practical Yahi Tech Compact Vanity, the elegant Deluxe Living 48-inch Vanity, the chic Vingley Mid-Century Vanity, and a luxurious Deluxe Living 60 Double Sink. Each has its strengths, so whether you're looking for budget-friendly options or something more high-end, there's definitely a vanity here for you.